How to import and export scenes in OBS Studio. Importing and exporting scenes on OBS Studio is a fairly simple process. First of all, open up OBS Studio. Let's start by exporting, but before exporting, you have to give your scene a name so that you can import next time if you want to. From the very top of the menu, go to Scene Collection and go to Rename. Give your scene a certain name over here. And once you've done this, hit the OK button. Save them to a desired folder. After that, if you want to export the scene, you can go to Scene Collection and go to Export. Now you can simply save the file type as, and you can choose where you want to save the exported file and hit the Save button. Now that way we have exported this, and if we open up our file explorer or finder, if you're using Mac, you'll find the .json file. Now to import it, again go to Scene Collection and select Import. Now just select Yes button. After that, you can just click the Add button first to add that particular file like this and hit the Open button. Once you've done that, you select that and then you hit the Import button now. It will not load up right away, but what you want to do to view that particular loaded scene is, again go to Scene Collection and from here you select that particular scene that you might have imported. This is a simple way on how you can export or import scenes in OBS Studio. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.